Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a really sweet Chloé to show you today. So this is the Chloé Kamilla shopper, and it's got this beautiful open work floral embroidery. It's like so delicate, it's gorgeous. I really like it, it's very sweet. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got double top handles, and then we've also got one long strap as well. And then inside, it's just one main compartment in there. The condition of this bag we've called excellent all around. It's beautiful. I'll show you all over again. There's no marks or anything like that for me to show you. Those corners are still in beautiful condition. You can see that embroidery is beautiful. There is tiny little bits of fraying, but I don't think that's a fault. I think that's just kind of how the embroidery comes, because it is beautiful. We have actually still got the product tag on there as well. So that is what it comes with. So we've got the product tag, and we have also got the Chloé dust bag. And then we've got the little Chloé envelope. That card envelope here. And inside there, we've got the care card, that little care guide there, and then we've also got the authenticity card as well. So that is what comes with the bag. If you're a bag lover like we are, don't forget while you're here to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you. If you wanted any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That is the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, what you can do is you can get on our request list. So if you have, it might be this bag or whatever bag you have in mind, let us know that you like it. We'll pop you on our request list, and then as soon as we get something like it, we will let you know, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I will show you the size on me for reference. So if it's any help, I am a size UK 10 and 5'4", so you can hold it by those two top handles like that, or you can pop it across your body with that long strap as well. And the strap is really nice, it's soft and kind of comfortable to wear, so it makes a good everyday. So if you wanted any more details on this bag, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse to our website while you're there and sign up to our newsletter. We'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And also have a look at the how to sell with us page. So if you've got anything in mind you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, you can let us know. You just need to have a look on that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us. So have a look on there, and I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.